Hi everyone, it is more thrift haul, buying from other sellers on YouTube for my supplies. And this is from Erin in the Adirondacks. And don't everybody scream about the packages. I didn't package it. So, don't yell at me. I hope this is what I think it is because I'm ready for it. Nope. Yep. I bought another ephemera holder. Oh, this one doesn't look as wide as the other one, but that's okay. It's got a lot in it. Yeah. And I bought this one for me, so I can start filling it and eliminate some of the boxes I have sitting around with ephemera. So if you want one of these, contact Erin in the Adirondacks. It's a really cool idea. She takes an old encyclopedia and she just folds pages to make a gusset here and glues pages together, and you have all these pockets, and you can leave it sitting open if you have the space. I don't. Or you can close it up, and of course when you close it up it's going to be alligator mouth. But gee, thanks for the mailing envelopes, Erin. I could use these. And the second thing I bought from her, I got some doilies. Chris, learn to spell my name. And a biohazard bag. Do I want to open them? These are pretty. These are really pretty. They're all the same. These are really nice. So Erin, if you cut this out of something, you did excellent cutting. These are really pretty. They look stiff, but they're not. And I don't have any. Oh yes, I do remember what this is. A big wooden leaf. Nice. It's lighter than it looked. And then I used to have these years ago. 2 little wooden plates. And then there we go. And now, let's see, I want this design. The wooden egg. Whoop! Maybe not. Yep. And this design. I just love them. Aren't they pretty? I like that Erin's selling more than just craft supplies now. Isn't it cute? I haven't had these since probably the 80s. And as soon as I saw her bring it up, I said, I want one again. I just love it. It'll look nice sitting on my dining room table. So that's all I actually bought from her this time. I'm cutting back until I sell off a lot. But I love it. I love all of it. It's really cheap. Not cheap made. I didn't pay a lot for all of this stuff, guys. So you need to check out Erin and the Adirondacks. I think, what is she, the first and last weekend of every month, or the first and third weekend of every month? And she has multi people come on and sell with her. Sometimes I do, if I'm lucky enough to get a spot. But she fills up fast, so check her out. See you soon. Bye-bye.